Welcome to Fast-Paced Learner. In this video, we are going to unleash the cybersecurity revolution. Imagine a world where your data is always secure, where cyber threats are a thing of the past. As technology evolves, so do the dangers lurking in the digital shadows. From phishing scams and ransomware to sophisticated hacking attempts, cybercrime is evolving at a rapid pace. But with the latest advancements in AI, machine learning, and blockchain technology, we're on the brink of a cybersecurity revolution. For both businesses and individuals, understanding these evolving threats and the tools available to counter them is crucial. AI-driven security systems are now capable of detecting and neutralizing threats in real time, offering a proactive approach to cybersecurity. Blockchain technology, with its decentralized and tamper-proof nature, promises to enhance data integrity and transparency, making it a powerful ally in the fight against cybercrime. Yet, even the most advanced systems require human vigilance. This means staying informed about the latest security trends, regularly updating your software, and being aware of common tactics used by cybercriminals. Simple actions like using strong, unique passwords and enabling multi-factor authentication can make a significant difference. The future of cybersecurity is exciting and full of promise. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize encryption, potentially making current cryptographic methods obsolete and ushering in an era of unbreakable security. But as we push the boundaries of technology, we must also remain cautious and prepared for the new challenges that will arise. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge world of cybersecurity, where innovation meets vigilance. Together, we can build a safer digital world for everyone, protecting our data, our businesses, and our future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and innovation.